Good evening, Stacy Lynn, investigative journalist, Larimer County, Colorado. District Court Judge Juan Villasenoror wrote in his order regarding ex-detective Brady cop Brian Koopman that Loveland's parade of horribles lacks merit. The parade of horribles that Villasenor refers to is City Attorney Noah CECIL's illogical arguments about made-up, pretend, scary things that could, maybe, or might possibly happen if the city is forced to stop illegally withholding public records. 2 other lawsuits involving public records are now in district court. There will be more. City Attorney Moses Garcia's lawsuit against Mayor Jackie Marsh is meant to deceive you. Garcia doesn't care about following public records laws. He's proven that already. Garcia's lawsuit against Mayor Jackie Marsh is nothing more than a preemptive strike to discredit the mayor and to silence her search for the truth. Garcia is trying to make Mayor Marsh look bad. He wants honest people to question her character. Garcia wants to make Mayor Marsh take the fall for Garcia's own illegal actions. Remember, Garcia did the same thing to City Clerk Delynn Coldiron. 6 years ago, Councilors Ball, Fogel, and Overcash sat on that stage as Police Chief Luke Hecker was forced to quit, City Manager Bill Cahill was fired unanimously, and City Attorney Tammy Yellico resigned. Now Police Chief Bob TICER is gone. But this round of removals is not finished. City Manager Steve Adams and City Attorney Moses Garcia must be removed as well. There are patterns and common denominators here that you should all recognize. The 3 most powerful jobs in this city are repeatedly filled with problems. Not coincidentally, Ball, Fogel, and Overcash have been on that stage through both regimes. The city breaks the law so often that fraud is casual, crimes are nonchalant, and deception is simply routine city business. The only realistic remedy is for a federal agency to take control of this city. If City Manager Steve Adams and City Attorney Moses Garcia have a say in the new chief of police, there can be no trust in the hiring process. If you use the Jensen Hughes report to brag to applicants about the integrity of the Loveland Police Department, then the candidates for chief of police will be misled. It has been fascinating to watch as history repeats. Hecker, Cahill, Yellico, TICER, Adams, Garcia, Areola, Highland, Koopman, Spreitzer, Brown, Newbanks, Chase, Overcash, Fogel, Ball, TICER, Adams, Garcia, Overcash, Fogel, Ball, Koopman, Chase, Hopp, Robinson, and Arnold. Those of you on that stage who are trying to right these wrongs are in for some dirty tricks. You will be ambushed and deceived by people you thought you could trust. The liars and criminals will become more desperate. As they panic, they will do everything they can to convince the people that lies are truth, crimes are justice, and that the good guys are the bad guys. The parade of horribles, indeed, the parade of horribles. The honest people in this city cannot correct the embedded problems without help from a federal agency. Ask for federal help. You'll learn more about what we've learned from Detective Koopman's personnel file in the next few weeks. You need federal help. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Did you have a question, a clarifying question?
City Attorney Garcia, I have a question. I'm only aware of one lawsuit that a council member's filed and another council member, a citizen. Is there currently a lawsuit that you have filed against our mayor?
Councilmember Overcash, the city attorney's office has not filed any lawsuit against anyone. What it is called is a declaratory action asking for the court's help to assist us in determining what is considered a public record.
Thank you.
And you will see in the court docket that it is the City of Loveland versus Mayor Jackie Marsh. There is a lawsuit where the city is the plaintiff and Jackie Marsh is the defendant. I am correct in what I'm saying.
Thank you, Stacy. Is there additional public comment from inside chambers?